I was looking at the report you sent this morning.
You scared me for a second.
That's what I thought.
This is so embarrassing. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily. I am so happy to be here with you and all our friends today. It is a beautiful day for a podcast.
Oh, I am so happy today, Paul. The weather is beautiful, and I have a very special episode for everyone.
That sounds great. I am feeling very good too. I love it when we talk about real-life situations.
Yes, exactly. Today, we're talking about something that happens to everyone, mistakes.
Oh, mistakes. I make many mistakes every day, Emily.
Me too, Paul. It is normal, especially when we work or when we learn a new language.
That is so true. Sometimes a mistake feels scary, but usually it is okay.
Yes. Today, we're going to listen to a conversation between two coworkers, David and Anna.
I'm curious, what happened with them? Did they have a big problem?
Well, they are in the office. David is looking at a report from Anna. Let's listen to what they say.
Hey, Anna, do you have a minute?
Sure, David. What's up?
I was looking at the report you sent this morning.
Okay. Is everything all right?
Yeah, it's good. Actually, it's really good.
You scared me for a second.
Sorry about that. I just had one small question.
Go ahead.
On page 3, where did you get those numbers?
Oh, those? From last week's sales data.
That's what I thought.
Wait, is something wrong?
Not exactly, but I think we might be missing the latest update.
Oh, wow, seriously? Let me check.
No rush, I just wanted to make sure.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. These are the old numbers.
It happens.
Ugh, I updated everything last night. I must have sent the wrong file.
Don't worry, we've all done that.
This is so embarrassing.
Honestly, no one noticed yet.
That actually makes me feel better.
Just send the updated version and we're good.
Will do. Thanks for catching that, David.
Wow, that was a very interesting conversation, Emily. Anna was a little nervous.
Yes, she was. When David said, "Do you have a minute?" she looked a bit worried.
I understand her. When my boss says, "Paul, do you have a minute?" my heart goes fast.
Oh, why, Paul? You are a good worker.
I know, but that phrase sounds so serious sometimes. Do you have a minute?
It does. But David was very nice. He used it just to ask a simple question.
Yes, he was very calm. And Anna asked, "What's up?" I love that expression.
Me too. What's up is so friendly and natural. It's like saying, "What is happening?" or "What do you need?"
Exactly. I use "what's up" with my friends all the time. Like, "Hey, Emily, what's up?"
And I say, "Not much, just drinking my tea."
Perfect. It's a great way to start a chat.
You know what I noticed? David said, "No rush."
Ah, yes, no rush. That is a very kind thing to say.
It really is. It means take your time or you don't need to be fast.
I use that when I ask someone for help. Like, if I ask you for a photo, I say, "No rush, send it when you can."
That makes me feel relaxed. If someone says, "Quick, now," I get stressed.
Me too. Stress is not good for English or for work.
So true. And then Anna found the mistake. She sent the wrong file.
Oh, wow. I have done that many times. It is so easy to click the wrong button.
I remember one time I sent a shopping list to my boss instead of a report.
No. Really? What did your boss say?
He said, "Emily, why do I need to buy eggs and milk?"
That is so funny. Did you feel embarrassed like Anna?
Oh, yes, I was so red in the face. I said, "I am so sorry."
But it was okay, right?
Yes, my boss just laughed. He said, "It happens."
It happens. That is what David said to Anna, too. I think that is a beautiful phrase.
It is. It means this is normal. Don't worry about it.
It's great for when things go wrong. If a friend drops a glass of water, you say, it happens.
Or if you forget a word in English.
Yes, exactly. It happens. No problem. Just try again.
I like that. Anna said, "This is so embarrassing."
Poor Anna. She felt bad. But David was a great friend. He said no one noticed yet.
That is the best thing to hear. If no one saw the mistake, it's like it didn't happen.
Yes, just fix it quickly and it's a secret.
And then she said, "Thanks for catching that."
Catching that. Like catching a ball?
Almost. It means finding the mistake before it becomes a big problem.
Ah, like thank you for finding my mistake.
Yes, David caught the mistake. He is a hero.
He is. He saved the report.
Paul, if you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Yes, please do. It helps us so much. And hey, if you are still listening, comment report below.
Ooh, I like that. Comment report so we know you are part of our English learning team.
Yes, our team is the best.
You know, Paul, the way David spoke was very important. He didn't say, "You are wrong."
No, he didn't. That would be mean.
He said, "I think we might be missing the latest update."
I think we might be. That is very soft and polite.
Yes, it's much better than saying, "This is bad."
I agree. In the office, being polite helps everyone work better.
I'm thinking about Anna now. She said she updated the file last night.
She worked late. She was tired.
That is probably why she made the mistake. When we are tired, our brains go a little slow.
Oh, I know that feeling. Sometimes I try to write an email late at night, and the next morning I look at it and think, what is this?
Is this English or a secret code?
Exactly. It's always better to check things when we are fresh in the morning.
Like David, he looked at the report in the morning.
Yes, he had his coffee and his sharp eyes.
And Anna was very professional too. She didn't make excuses. She said, "You're right."
That's true. Saying you are right is very brave.
It is. It shows you are honest. And she said, "Will do."
Will do. I love that short expression. It means I will do it.
Yes, it's very fast and positive. Can you send the file? Will do.
I use it with my wife. She says, "Can you buy some bread?" And I say, "Will do."
Do you always remember the bread, Paul?
Most of the time. Sometimes I need a reminder.
It happens.
Yes, exactly. It happens.
You know, Paul, I think this conversation is a great example of how to be a good coworker.
I agree. David was helpful, not angry, and Anna was honest, not defensive.
Yes, it's about solving the problem together.
And they used very simple English to do it.
They did. They didn't use big, difficult words. Just, "What's up?" No rush, and it happens.
This makes me feel more confident about working in an office.
Me too. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be kind and clear.
And you need to check page 3 of your report.
Yes, check the numbers.
Emily, I once had a mistake at a restaurant.
Oh, tell me, what happened?
I was with my friends. We were very hungry.
Oh, that is a dangerous time to be at a restaurant.
It is. I ordered a large pizza with extra cheese.
My favorite.
But the waiter brought me a salad. a small, green salad.
No, a salad instead of a pizza?
Yes, I looked at the salad, and then I looked at the waiter.
What did you do? Were you angry?
No, I remembered our English tips. I said, "Excuse me, I think there is a small mistake."
Oh, that is very polite, Paul. Good job.
Thank you. The waiter looked at the paper and said, "Oh, wow, you're right. I am so sorry."
And what did you say?
I smiled and said, "Don't worry, it happens."
Oh, you used the phrase. That's great.
I did. He felt much better. He brought my pizza 5 minutes later, and it was delicious.
See, being kind makes everything better. And you got your pizza.
Yes, the most important part.
I had a mistake yesterday at the store.
Really? What happened at the store?
I was buying some fruit, apples and bananas.
Healthy. I like that.
But when I went to pay, I realized I didn't have my wallet.
Oh no, that is so stressful.
I was so embarrassed. There were people behind me in the line.
Oh, I hate that. Everyone is waiting and looking at you.
Yes, I said to the cashier, I am so sorry. I forgot my wallet at home.
What did the cashier say?
She was very nice. She said, "Don't worry, I can save your bags here. You can go home and come back."
Wow, she was very helpful.
She was. And the man behind me in the line said, "It happens to everyone."
Everyone is using our phrases today.
Yes, it made me feel so much better. I went home, got my wallet, and went back to the store.
That is a great story. It shows that people are usually very nice when we make mistakes.
Exactly. We are all human. We all forget things or send the wrong file.
Or the wrong pizza.
Yes, or the wrong pizza.
You know, Emily, I think we should listen to David and Anna one more time.
That's a great idea. Now that we talked about the expressions, it will be even easier to understand.
Let's listen.
Hey, Anna, do you have a minute?
Sure, David. What's up?
I was looking at the report you sent this morning.
Okay. Is everything all right?
Yeah, it's good. Actually, it's really good.
You scared me for a second.
Sorry about that. I just had one small question.
Go ahead.
On page 3, where did you get those numbers?
Oh, those? From last week's sales data.
That's what I thought.
Wait, is something wrong?
Not exactly, but I think we might be missing the latest update.
Oh, wow. Seriously? Let me check.
No rush, I just wanted to make sure.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. These are the old numbers.
It happens.
Ugh, I updated everything last night. I must have sent the wrong file.
Don't worry, we've all done that.
This is so embarrassing.
Honestly, no one noticed yet.
That actually makes me feel better.
Just send the updated version and we're good.
Will do. Thanks for catching that, David.
They sound like such good friends, don't they?
They really do. I love how Anna says "will do" at the end. She is ready to work.
Yes, she is positive. That is the best way to be.
So, Emily, what did we learn today? Our chat was so full of good things.
We talked about so many things. We remembered that saying, "Do you have a minute?" is a good way to start a talk at work.
Yes, and "what's up" is perfect for a friendly reply.
We also learned that no rush is a very kind thing to say when someone is busy.
My favorite was "it happens." It's so useful for mistakes.
And catching a mistake means finding it early.
Like catching a pizza mistake.
Yes, exactly. And will do is a fast way to say you will help.
Wow, we've really talked about a lot. It was a very good conversation.
It was. I feel very relaxed now.
Me too. Even though we talked about mistakes, I feel happy.
That's the goal. Learning English should make you feel happy and confident.
Yes, exactly. Well, I think it's time to say goodbye to our friends.
Oh, already? Time goes so fast when we are talking.
It really does. But don't worry, we will be back soon with a new episode.
Yes, before you go, please remember to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And hit the like button if you enjoyed our office story today.
And don't forget our question. Tell us in the comments, have you ever sent a wrong file or an email?
Yes, tell us your embarrassing stories. We want to read them.
It's good to share. It makes us feel like a real community.
Definitely. Thank you so much for watching and listening to us today.
Yes, thank you everyone. You are doing a great job with your English. Keep practicing.
See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.